Rockin' Billy, he walking, rolling through the queue, and do that crazy hand jive too. Papa told William, run my home. You and that hand jive got to go.
Look at me, I'm Sandra Dee, and we're going to learn about the hand jive with this historically accurate princess dance, because we know Sandra Dee was the princess of high school. So come on with me, let's take a dance adventure with the hand jive. Remember to like and subscribe to all of our videos in the line below, and check out everything I've made at www.adventuresinDance.com. Okay, the hand jive. First, we slap our knees 2 times. 1, 2. Second, clap twice. 1, 2. Third, over to top, over, over. Fourth, over, over. Fist, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hitchhiker over your shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4. The hand jive can be done slow or double time. Originally, when it was done with the 3 Tons of Joy, they did it slow. So I'm going to show it to you both ways, because then in Greece, they did it quick, double time. Slap, slap, clap, clap, over, 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 hand, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Now you go.
Do that hand jive one more time. Doctor and a lawyer and an Indian chief. Now they all dig that crazy beat.
Next, we can spice our hand jive up and do it as a line dance. 2 slow hand jive sequences. 1, slap, clap, clap, over, over, under, under, hip bump, hand bump, hitchhiker, hitchhiker, slap, slap, clap, clap, over, 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 hand bump, shoulder, shoulder. Then you can grapevine to the right like the electric slide, or chasse, side together, side tap, side together, side quarter turn, to repeat again. Or I can dance this with a nice grapevine, which would be side, cross, side, tap, side, cross, side, tap. And then repeat it on 4 walls. When we put it all together, it looks like this. Born to hand jive. In the late 50s, clubs got so full, the only option for dancing was to hand jive. The movie choreographer really hit the nail on the head when he used the elements from the 3 Tons of Joy as they performed the hand jive with Johnny Ortist. Have fun learning the 50s Grease-style hand jive with Sandra Dee. The original Sandra Dee was the 1950s Princess of Hollywood. She was also the inspiration for the movie version of Sandra Dee in Grease. Sandy was certainly the Rydell High Princess and apple of Danny's eye. While Sandy and Danny are dancing the hand jive, Vince Fortin proclaims it doesn't matter if you win or lose, it's what you do with those dancing shoes. In this case, what you do with your dancing hands. Give it a try. Try the hand jive. The hand jive originated in the basement of the Cat's Whiskers coffee bar in London. From there it spread to America, where Johnny Otis wrote his hit song, Willie and the Hand Jive. He then invited Murray Adams and the 3 Tons of Joy to perform the hand jive dance on his TV show in the late 50s. It was these pieces that inspired the choreography used in the Grease to the Sha Na Na hit Born to Hand Jive. Remember to like and subscribe to our line below and check out all of our videos at www.adventuresindance.com.